We are here for NYE dinner, and I got this vegetarian lasagna, and I'm so excited to try it. We also got some other Italian dishes. That's gnocchi, my favorite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is the first vlog of 2024. So happy new year, and I hope you guys had wonderful Christmas and New Year's with your friends and family. I also had a really great time with my family and friends. In this vlog, I really wanted to adapt 3 habits. They are really simple and small habits, but as we all know that all the small habits contribute to your entire personality and how you think and how you look or how you feel. So I wanted to adapt 3 habits which are going to support me throughout the day, throughout the year, and hopefully it's gonna last for my whole life, change my entire life. And I also recently read somewhere that anything you do for 21 days, it becomes your habit. That's what my plan is. I'm going to do those 3 things every single day for 21 days, and I want to see if it becomes my habit and if it's changing me internally or externally. I just want to see how it goes. So it's going to be my first day. It's January 2nd today, and I want to start from today. So without further ado, let's start the vlog, and you will see which 3 habits I'm talking about. And I'm sure if you guys want to adapt these 3 habits, or if you are planning on anything which will change your lifestyle a little bit for better, you should do it. How about we all start together to adapt some new habits to our lifestyle. Alright, let's start with the vlog. If you guys are liking what you see, please don't forget to subscribe, because that really empowers me. That gives me motivation to make some more vlogs and create more content for you guys. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Good morning everyone. It's 6 a.m. currently, and as you guys saw, my first habit is not touching the phone right in the morning, rather be into the moment and enjoy it. So I'm going to do my daily skincare routine, which is very simple. Wash my face and put some moisturizer on. Then later I'm making my warm water with some cinnamon and honey. It's really good for your skin and just to stay hydrated in the morning. This is kind of the reward of waking up early, that you just get to enjoy the quietness and hear the birds chirping, and it's just so wholesome. So this is going to be my second habit, and I'm really looking forward to it. So I want to read every morning at least for 10 minutes or 10 pages, whatever I can. And it has to be non-fiction, self-help books, because it makes me so motivated. And yeah, so I want to start my day right with reading. I'm literally so passionate about reading, but somehow we just don't get enough time because we are so busy in other things, work, family, and going out and stuff. But this year, I'm going to make it a habit to read every day. And now I'm chopping some vegetables to make egg muffin, which is really high in protein and it's perfect for breakfast after workout. So let's make some yummy egg muffins, high in protein and rich in nutrition. Okay, let's come to habit number 3. Yes, getting my workout done right in the morning. Because I feel like when you start your work or your daily house chores, it's just too hard to find right time to work out, and then sometimes you also get lazy by the end of the day for working out. So I feel like doing workout right in the morning will be a game changer for me, and I think it will be so good for me. And working out in the morning also makes me very excited about the day and so energetic. So yeah, let's get this done. So I finished my workout and now this is my breakfast. So I got egg muffins and some fruits with honey drizzled on it. Looks yummy. This breakfast is so delicious and literally so easy to make. Very simple recipe to follow and high in nutrition. So perfect morning breakfast. If you guys want recipe, please comment down below and I'll link it for you guys. So this was my 6 a.m. routine with some new habits, and I'm so looking forward to continue with them. And I hope that this vlog was very helpful to you guys as well to adapt some new habits. And I'm going to end this vlog here and I will catch you guys in my next one. See you later. Bye bye.